Does he make a cake? Does they make a cake? Which one is wrong? Which one is correct? If you have the same questions, let's find it out. Let's talk about the simple present tense. We use it to talk about things that happen regularly, facts and habits. For example, I eat breakfast every day. She likes ice cream. They go to school. But how do we turn these sentences into questions? It's easier than you think. Here's the secret formula. Do or does plus subject plus base form of the verb. Let's start with do. We use do with the subjects I, you, we, and they. Here are some examples. I play soccer. It becomes, do I play soccer? You like pizza. It becomes, do you like pizza? They study English. It becomes, do they study English? Did you notice something? We are just adding do at the beginning. That's it. Now let's talk about does. We use does with the subjects he, she, and it. When we use does, we also drop the s from the verb. Let's see. She watches TV. It becomes, does she watch TV? He eats breakfast. It becomes, does he eat breakfast? It works well. It becomes, does it work well? See how simple that is? Just remember, does for he, she, and it, and no s on the verb. Let's quickly recap. To make a question in the simple present tense, first we have to start with do or does, then we have to add our subject, and finally we have to use the base form of the verb. Don't forget to drop the s with does. Now it's your turn. She runs fast. It becomes, comment your answers below and let's see who gets it right. So, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more English tips. Thanks for watching.